hate these brushes. How to fix it?
They're so sticky.
I just remembered a funny joke. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Becky Jayne. Today I have this craft kit that I found perusing through Marshall's. It looked interesting, but looking at this box now, I'm not sure how well this is going to go. These examples on the front don't look all that appealing.
But hey, it looks fun. I bet kids enjoy it.
The colors are
Loud?
They don't look appetizing. Not that I would eat these, but I want to eat them, you know?
I want them to look yummy. I want them to look a delicacy.
But that's not the right word.
But that's the word I was thinking of.
But maybe I'm ragging on this too much. They have some interesting colors. Kind of wish they had a white. They got glitter over here and then some stickers. I am very confused and concerned about the stickers. The figurines themselves look really cute. Oh, there is a white. They have a white, a brown, a yellow, a purple, blue, and a very loud hot pink. It includes 2 resin boxes. Oh, the resin. Okay. The brushes look very tiny. I don't want to paint with tiny brushes. 75 foil stickers. They're foil? Why foil? And these are the instructions. It says, skills on a covered surface and wear protective clothing. Check. And use a coated paper plate for blending. Should I follow the instructions? I have a paint palette. So, check. Well, there's the instructions, so it's a cute box, I'm not gonna lie. Accents on it are pretty cute.
Maybe that wasn't a good idea.
Still kept going though. Oh, they're even tinier than I was expecting. Don't get me wrong, if I was a child, I probably would have enjoyed this. It says it's for 8 years and up. I'm definitely over 8 years on the outside. So this is gonna, do I have to use these? Do I have to use these? That's what came with the craft kit, so I probably definitely should. Okay. These are very cute, Melissa and Doug. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, yes. I love these shapes. They're so clean. They're just, Oh, I love that. I might have to sand this one. Other than this one right here, they're pretty smooth and definitely textured. It's smooth and textured, yeah. I am going to go ahead and open this up. If I don't end up liking these colors or liking this kit or this paint, I'll probably just recycle these paint tubes for future projects because I can never have enough paint holders. I am not sure what I will do with the glitter. I'll probably follow some of the examples that they have on the box. Okay, that is all my supplies, so let's go ahead and get started. Yeah. I'm not ever going to use the yellow color. I might use the yellow, so I will save some. I will take some of this pink. I hate these brushes. I really hate these brushes. Oh my gosh. They do have a brown here. Oh, and I've already contaminated it. This paint is so gunky. I'm trying to make a waffle cone kind of color. I'm just making a giant mess. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. That's not good. That is not good. This paint is not working all that well.
$3 hours. 3 hours.
3 hours and it's still not even really dry, not all the way. Still kind of sticky from it trying to dry. So I'm gonna leave this for another hour because it takes me a few seconds. Well, not a few seconds. It takes me several minutes to paint one coat. I've even pulled up some chunks of paint here and there because I was holding it for too long when trying to put on a coat. So when I do these two, I am probably just gonna do the acrylic paint, my acrylic paint, and because I still want to do these because I still love the shapes of these. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the paint they have. I'm not done with this one, but it comes, I don't know what kind of paint that is. It comes out very in thin layers. It's chunky. The paint comes chunky. But when you paint it on there, it paints in very thin layers. I will admit, the brown that they provide is actually a really delicious looking color. It does look like chocolate, like melted chocolate. But I'm curious at how it dries, what color it will dry as. I know it's weird that they're gumdrops, but... I've made a mess. How to fix it? I got glitter all over it. It fell on my candle when I tried to move it. It fell directly into my candle. I was trying to move it aside and it went plop right down into it. Took out the flame and everything. Good grief. Well, I don't know if there's any fixing that. I'll see what I can do. I am regretting trying to do glittery pink sprinkles. They look like worms. I don't know what I was thinking. I was trying to work with what I had. I feel like I should have tried using the silver instead, but it's too late and I don't want to go in and try to take all of these off in case I might make a mess. And it won't be easy to try to repaint to fix it. So I'm gonna leave it the way it is. So this is it. The stickers are falling off and I used most of the paint that came with the kit. Overall, it was a pretty good kit. If I was 8 years old, I would definitely enjoy this. That's it for this video. Thank you for sticking till the end. If you at least liked my other videos, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you again next week. Bye!